Deputies spotted the truck driving erratically on Merchants Drive near the post office in Dallas and attempted to stop the truck. However, the driver decided to flee. The pursuit continued on West Memorial Drive near Johns Road when a canine unit performed a pit maneuver, terminating the chase. The U-Haul truck crashed onto its side. As a result, deputies had to kick open the windshield to help the driver exit, where they successfully took him into custody. An on-scene investigation revealed the driver, Damian Jones, a 37-year-old male of Lithonia, was in possession of MDMA, also known as ecstasy. Deputies also discovered that Jones had multiple warrants for his arrest out of DeKalb County, Marion County, and New Jersey. Deputies also learned that Jones had committed multiple hit-and-run crashes within Cobb County. He was ultimately charged with multiple counts, including hit-and-run, felony eluding, reckless driving, and multiple drug charges. Jones made a string of reckless decisions that put innocent lives in danger across multiple jurisdictions. But when that trail of chaos crossed into Paulding County, the ride came to an end. Around here, if you fool around, you find out. All subjects are innocent until proven guilty.
Go past this light, then turn left.
Bro, what the fuck? Hey, stop. HYT 1766. Stop! 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 Pull over! Pull over! Pull over! You just hit me! You just hit me! Pull over! Pull over!
I don't think my dad would answer if I called you on here. If I called him on here.
What the?
What the? Oh shit! Yo! Nigga, what is you doing? No, cause like this nigga fucking crashed. Nigga, what is you doing? Nigga, that's not even a fucking camera. Are you on? What drugs are you on? No, cause watch him. What the fuck is this nigga doing? Yo, anybody was fucking watching this shit? What the fuck is going on here? Yo, his fucking tail lights on the floor. Aiden, watch out for the fucking glass on the floor. His tail lights on the floor. Nigga, what type of drugs is you on? Why are you pulling over?
I'm gonna give him dash cam video.
Oh, it's an old man, that's why. Yo, you tripping, sir? Wait, who crashed into who? You okay?
It's an SUV.
Nigga, what are you doing? No, I'm gonna need some weed now. Yo, can you like bust up real quick?
Look at that. Yeah. 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 Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You, it's a funeral! It's a funeral!
Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Fucking idiot. This weekend is the Renaissance Fair.
Whoa.
Every demographic has big concerns about the direction of the country right now. White, black, Hispanic, Asian, young, and seniors. That's why you got to have AMAC in your corner. I stand with AMAC. Stands for the Association of Mature American Citizens. They're more than a senior discount organization. They fight for common sense and hope that our nation will return to traditional American values. I mean, we'll get there if we vote for Republicans on November the 5th. You visit GallagherForAMAC.com or just text the letters AMAC to 800-655-6453 to get an exclusive election year special for my friends at AMAC, a 4-year AMAC membership that's just $30. As an AMAC member, you not only enjoy money-saving benefits, but also the AMAC magazine, free Social Security and Medicare advice, a trusted voice in Washington, and a community of like-minded patriots who love this nation. And what an offer, too. 4 years, $30? It's normally $16 a year. Tear up your AARP card and join AMAC, the Association of...
Whoa.